How to remove Viber account from PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove Viber account from PC. First, open your Rakuten Viber on your desktop and click on your profile picture next to the search field. Then click on Settings, click on Privacy and Security, and click on Deactivate. Now click on Deactivate again to confirm. If you forget to deactivate Rakuten Viber and no longer have access to the computer, you can deactivate the desktop app from your phone. To do so, open Rakuten Viber on your phone and tap on More. Next, tap on Settings, tap on Account, and tap on Desktop and Tablets. Here, select the computer on which you want to deactivate Rakuten Viber and tap Deactivate. You may want to uninstall Rakuten Viber if you no longer need it on your computer or if you're having issues with the app and need to reinstall it. For that, open Rakuten Viber on your desktop and click on your profile picture next to the search field. Then click on Settings and click on Privacy and Security. After that, click Deactivate and click on Deactivate again to confirm. Now open the control panel on your PC and click on Programs. Next, click on Uninstall a program, double-click on Rakuten Viber, and click Remove. Once you uninstall Rakuten Viber, you can reinstall the app by following the instructions in our Setup Rakuten Viber on your desktop article. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.